wait lang.
Kang seaman lang yun.
Okay.
Battle review. Underplate?
Huh?
Grabe.
Underplate.
Underplate saan si Songka nga?
Nagka-screenshot.
Kawawa niya.
You know? Grabe. Tumiretso sa Amorak. Front lower plate.
Hindi ko expect na.
1-9.
Grabe. Huh? Mid-lower play? Bro, hindi lower plate. Mid-lower plate yun? Not again.
Hala, top 1 na sa atin. Top 1.
Ano? Ito po.
Panasonic. Strong. 6 tayo.
What a game! What a game!
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lang sila.
Pay attention now. This mission is go.
Damn! Disadvantage sila? They're on a disadvantage, boys.
Negative. Roger that.
Naka-30 bito si Horn.
Oo. Fast reload yan. 6 seconds.
Sight. An enemy vehicle.
Well, look at that.
Fucking miss.
Oh, well, that didn't.
Sige na yun.
Looking good.
Sino yan?
Behind you!
Si Horn.
Oh no! Panasonic and
Hello?
wow! What a game! Sorry, bro, Horn.
What a footage!
What a footage! What a footage!
Attack.
Kape.
Enemy vehicle damaged.
Nice gameplay, friends against friends.
Enemy sighted.
God, look at these wheelers.
Loading AP.
Top 1 wheeler on our side.
Yapi.
Wait.
Front row seats to one shot. Galore. Yung RC.
Oh, what the?
Panasonic ang kulit.
Siyempre, makukulit din tayo.
Target eliminated. Let's find another.
Oh,
Yun.
kawawa.
Nice. 1-1 front row seats.
Oops, I'm stuck.
We need support.
Si Yui no? I7.
Reloading.
Ba't umabante si Horn sa atin kanina?
Nag-RC Hunter na siya eh. Yung last chat niya sa group sa clan chat.
Wah!
Grabe. Kawawa.
Ready to fire. We need support.
Man, what a game, what a game.
Roger that.
Bro, look at this.
Target destroyed.
That... I'm ramming. Oh no.
Raise their armor.
Oh, sorry.
Siman. You 100.
Wala. Ito na.
One hit. That's one hit.
Ano yun?
Let me get a good
Footage
here.
incoming.
Footage.
Footage incoming.
Ah.
Oh.
There you go.
Ako yung naging footage.
We want some footage, then Seb became the footage. Damn.